and welcome to my channel magicofoneclick. So today we are going to type 50th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. This program is also about pre-tag. Using pre-tag to display patterns. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and now we'll end the title tag. We'll end the head tag. We'll start now body tag. Now we'll start pre-tag, and here we will write the design. You have to write the design in this way only. Then only it will appear properly in the web page. Same format you have to write, the design format. Now we'll end the pre-tag. Body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save it with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output.